An avocado a day keeps the doctor away, or so they say, and for good reason. This nutrient-dense superfood is packed to the brim with essential vitamins, potassium, and healthy fats, making it a heart-healthy choice that can lower bad cholesterol and boost the good. But that's not all. With its rich fiber content, avocado aids digestion, regulates blood sugar, and even assists weight management by promoting feelings of fullness. It's also a sight for sore eyes, literally, with antioxidants that could reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Craving radiant skin and luscious hair? Turn to avocado. Its vitamins and healthy fats nourish from the inside out, while avocado oil moisturizes and rejuvenates. Plus, this green gem enhances absorption of fat-soluble vitamins from other foods and may reduce inflammation. Even your brain benefits from avocado's healthy fats, improving cognitive function. However, remember, moderation is key. Despite its health benefits, avocado is high in calories, so enjoy this superfood as part of a balanced diet for optimal health.